little artists. Welcome back to our coloring classroom. Today we are going to color a very special Christmas picture. Are you ready to color with me? Let's start coloring the sky. Use light blue and color softly. Leave some parts light to look like clouds. Stars bright yellow. The sky looks magical and calm. Let's start with the Merry Christmas words at the top. We will use red for the top part of the letters. Take your time, color slowly. Now gently color the bottom part with green. Wow, the letters look so bright and festive. Color the moon yellow. Now let's color Santa's sleigh. Use a bright yellow or golden color. Add some gentle shading if you like. Now it's time for the reindeer. Color their bodies light brown. Use dark brown for antlers. Take your time, color slowly. Their noses can be red. The straps are red with yellow bells. They look so happy flying in the sky. Now let's color Santa Claus. Santa's cap and coat are red. The borders are white. Look at the gifts behind Santa. Color them in red, green, blue, and pink. So many presents for good children. His face can be light peach. Santa looks happy and kind, waving to everyone below. Hello, Santa. Color Santa's beard soft gray or white. Wow! Look at our beautiful Christmas picture. Santa, reindeer, stars, and the night sky look amazing. You did a great job today, little artist. If you enjoyed coloring with me, and color every day, Merry Christmas and happy coloring. Bye-bye. Subscribe to our channel.